Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country, and you join me on a sun-drenched spring day. It's absolutely beautiful. Daffodils are looking good, and we're here to show you Tregrove House. I'm really excited about this one. It's a spacious home with beautiful views and the most amazing garden. So should we go and have a look? So here we are. Welcome inside Tregrove House. So over the last 15 years or so, our clients have made numerous improvements to this fine property. So as you can see, we're here in the kitchen. What a fabulous premium kitchen it is, sourced locally. It has a number of integrated appliances, and also it's got this red fire Argus style heat source, which is lovely. We have an integrated oven, dishwasher, a hob and an extractor. And also included in the sale is a freestanding fridge freezer. And how about this for the main living room? We've got south-facing aspect, washed with natural sunlight. And on my left is this marble feature fireplace. Within, we've got a multi-fuel burning stove, providing that perfect atmosphere. And for those who love to entertain, look at this spacious dining room. Space for a huge table. And up here, in this mezzanine, is a great space. Room for hobbies, and also perfect for those who work from home. And how about this for a view when you're working from home? So onwards and upwards. The spacious landing serves all 3 bedrooms, and we've also got access to a very spacious loft area. So here we are in the master bedroom, which really has a superior feel. What I love is the outstanding views from this window across the Lynher Valley. We've got fitted shutters and also an engineered oak floor. A door leads through to the sumptuous ensuite bathroom, which has a separate shower cubicle with electric shower. The space also benefits from underfloor heating, as well as an overhead heat lamp, and is partially tiled. The dressing room is completely fitted out with wardrobes and cupboards. This spacious area was formerly a 4th bedroom and could easily be reverted back to that if required. Bedroom number 2 has the benefit of an ensuite WC. And bedroom number 3 is also large enough to accommodate a double bed, with again the fantastic view as well as a built-in wardrobe. The owners have also installed a new shower room, which features a large walk-in shower with a mains connection. But above all, my favourite room has to be this conservatory. It's just incredible. The beautiful view across the Lynher Valley, and the ability to, with complete ease, be able to walk outside onto this patio, sun-drenched, taking it all in, Caradon Hill, the glistening tops of Bodmin Moor and Cheese Ring. It's absolutely delightful. We've got a sweeping gravel drive with off-road parking and turning. And here, a large area of lawn with these wonderful pine trees, and flanked by beds well stocked with shrubs, bushes and colourful perennials. And for those of you who are green fingered, we've got a bigger area of garden here where the owner has carefully designed the garden. It's well manicured and a blaze of colour. Truly a key feature of this lovely home. Now unfortunately I've left my swimming shorts at home today, but never mind, because there'll be plenty of summer days to come if you buy this property and enjoy this wonderful swimming pool, which has its filtration system, solar cover and an enclosed area to relax on the right day. So here in total privacy on those long hot summer days. Also remembering, above my shoulder here on the left, we've got in the distance Kit Hill. We've got a large detached 2-bay double garage with above a further studio area which is accessed via a staircase and could become a useful hobbies workshop space. The property is positioned in the parish of Linkinhorne, but is a short distance from the village of Rillermill, where there's an extensive range of village facilities, including a country pub, a vibrant village hall with regular events, a place of worship, and also miles of walks along the wooded Lynher Valley. Within 15 minutes, the towns of Liskeard, Launceston and Callington can also be reached. So if this is a lifestyle that appeals to you, then wait no longer. Please contact Fine & Country today on 01566 77 1919. We'd love to tell you more.